Recently, my staff has been after me to start posting video blogs. So here's my first shot at that. Yesterday I was reading an article about Marcus Mumford from Mumford & Sons. He was being attacked in some media circles for shirking the label of Christian. In an interview in the Rolling Stone, Marcus said that he was staying away from the culture of Christianity, and he actually said he did have his views about Jesus and about God, but he didn't like the culture of Christianity. I wonder how many others of us are like that. Do we like the label Christian? I've thought about that a lot recently. In a recent election cycle, a lot of people said they voted their Christian values, but those values were in direct opposition to so much of mine and what I understand Jesus to have said. In fact, I often like to support those people in election cycles who also are dedicated to loosening the chains of the oppressed, to feeding the hungry, to taking care of those less fortunate. But often those aren't mentioned in the media as Christian values. The other side of being labeled a Christian these days is we're all lumped in one big basket. We're lumped in the same basket as the Westboro Baptist, and quite honestly, I'm not willing to be in that basket. The other thing, over the years, other people have made similar comments. Gandhi years ago talked about the importance in his own life, in his own journey, of following the actions of Jesus. When he was asked by a reporter, since he followed the actions of Jesus, why did he not become a Christian? Gandhi replied, "I've never met a Christian who followed the steps and actions of Jesus." Now that might be a little harsh, but it does say something about those labels. Maybe it's time we get a new label. Or perhaps it's time we return to an old label. The first followers of Jesus were called not Christians, but followers of the way. Perhaps that's a way that we can return to. Could we become followers of the way? Or maybe way followers? Or perhaps wayfarers? Because on the journey of faith, indeed, aren't we all wayfarers on rough seas and rough paths sometimes? Sometimes the sailing is smooth and sometimes it's not. What I'm saying today is this: maybe it's time we move beyond the labels and Christians not be known by their words, but by their actions.